Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning in. So first thing we're going to start off with is I'm going to show you guys my official baby mod here. I decided to go with the PRL Stage 1 intake for one reason is I want to see if there's any true potential or gains from it. I know they advertised 4 to 8 wheel horsepower or 4 to 9 wheel horsepower or whatever, and we're going to see if we can run this with the stock ECU for now. I also want to give you guys my thoughts and driving impressions and feedback about the PRL Stage 1, because I also noticed that no one really has made any videos about it. So for those people that don't want to go with colder intake, don't want to do the labor for the colder intake, or don't want the the heat soak with the short ram, or whatever your reasons may be for not wanting to go with that aftermarket intake, I'll give you guys my impression. This video is for you guys for the PRL Stage 1 intake set. Now, I did buy this kit used. Here it is. I did buy this kit used on eBay, and I got a really good deal on it. But otherwise, everything looks really good. It looks perfect. Looks perfectly brand new. The guy said he only had about 70 miles on it, and it does look like there's really no issues or wear on this thing at all whatsoever. So that's gonna go there. And the filter, it's got the it says green filter, but it's blue. But yeah, no, the filter looks great. It looks very clean on both sides. Yeah, it looks very clean on both sides. So yeah, I mean, got a really good deal on it. Am I gonna stay with this setup forever? Probably not. But you guys know, if you guys have been around my channel for a while, I really appreciate it, by the way. You guys been sticking around. You guys know I like to experiment with mods. I like to test out different kinds of setups, and I guess this is gonna be my first one. So I'm not gonna be really thorough on the install because it's fairly straightforward. I already unbuttoned this here. I'm just gonna disconnect this guy just to give me a little bit more room, and we're going to unscrew this clamp and this one. These weren't that tight from factory, but like I said, I want to try this out. I want to get a feel of it. I want to see if I hear the turbo. I do have a couple other things in the works as far as an intake solution, but for now we'll roll with this. My engine bay is so clean is because I just cleaned it today. Some of you guys are for or against washing engine bays, but it's the only way to get it cleaned. Alright, so let's take a look. Let's loosen this up. There we go. Little by little. And give it a little twist. There we go. A little snug, but good. Alright, let's check this out. Ugh. Look at that, can you guys see that? The PRL, yeah, it's about the same size. It's just straight through flow. But yeah, let's check it out. Let's do it. Yep, there it goes. I just want to make sure. Hold on. Yeah, that's good. So I'll make sure it doesn't go the other way. This has to sit properly. You gotta tuck it in a little bit. See, it's kind of bent a little bit. So once you sit it, it's gonna seal properly. So you gotta make sure oh, there it goes. It snaps into place. Cool, not bad. Let's make sure. Yep, that's good. So I'm just twisting this just to see where it seats the best. Alright. Alright, how do you want to sit? Alright, if you look at the airbox move, if I had the PRL sitting up, it's pushing the airbox back a little bit. So right around there. It likes it right there. That's it, guys. This guy. I'll give you guys my driving impressions in the next few days, but first I want to show you guys the other thing that I was talking about that, you know, like I said, this video is just for those that want to know how this intake kit is, the stage 1, and I'll show you some other things. I got a bunch of stuff in the trunk, man. I gotta get rid of it. A bunch of maintenance stuff for the SUV we got. Alright, cool. Yep, there's my trunk. A bunch of crap. That's just a tool. Brakes for my girl's truck. And what I want to show you is in here and here. So this is an interesting story I'll share with you guys soon. But let me grab this box. So I came across this deal on eBay. It's pretty much where I buy most of my stuff. This great deal on eBay. This was a 3-day sale. I think most of you guys missed it. I don't know if anybody's seen it, but basically what this is I'm gonna test this out as well because I got a super killer deal on this thing. But yeah, you guys already know what it is, right? It's an intake. Yeah, got the Mishimoto short ram intake kit, filter, airbox, red hose, and hardware. I got a killer deal on this, but that red would look pretty good with the GM blue on it. But yep, got that going on. And my first mod that I wanted to do, I didn't get a chance to do yet. I've been so busy with school, work, kids, and retail hours and all that, and you know, home commitments. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. I got a lot of stuff going on in the near future. Just stick around. I'll show you guys my driving impressions for this. But yeah, PRL intake stage 1. Let's check it out later.